Hey guys, how's it going? How to create a theme deck in Pokemon TCG. So first of all, to create a theme deck in Pokemon TCG, first of all, pick a type or theme. Focus on Pokemon type, fire, e.g. fire or specific strategy. Okay. Now select 15, right, to 20 Pokemon that work well together, including basics and evolutions. And add trainers. Include 25 to 30 trainer cards for draw, power, energy management, and strategy. And include energy. Ensure a mix of attackers, support Pokemon, and recovery options. And playtest your deck and tweak it for consistency by clicking right here the battle, and just go ahead and start your own battle and put it to a test. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.